In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create the paper cut transition effect in Premiere Pro. For now, the videos look like this, and honestly when you just stack them one after another it can feel a bit boring. So let's add some color and movement to it. First, drag your first video to the upper track and place one of the overlays on top of it. As you can see, the overlay is a bit too long, so we press R and match its duration with the video underneath. Then we align it with the frame where both green and blue colors are visible in the second video for proper matching. After that, go to the effects panel and apply the Ultra Key effect to the overlay. Then start by selecting the blue color to complete the basic keying process. For the second part, we nest the overlay and the video underneath, and again apply the Ultra Key effect. This effect is a really powerful tool for this kind of transition because it cleanly separates the background and makes the scene feel almost cinematic and smooth. When used correctly, it blends everything in a very natural and professional way. For the second transition, we follow the same logic, but there is a small detail that makes a big difference. After nesting the overlay and the main clip, we apply Ultra Key again. This effect is extremely powerful for transitions like this because it isolates the background cleanly and turns the scene into something almost cinematic and fluid. When the color selection is done correctly, the footage blends naturally into the scene without creating harsh cuts for the viewer. At this stage, you can start by choosing whichever color is more dominant between blue or green. Getting the right key color is important for Ultra Key to work properly, but once it is dialed in, the result becomes really satisfying. If you notice small edge issues, that is completely normal because the real magic happens in the fine-tuning. You can adjust matte generation and matte cleanup settings to make the result cleaner and more professional.